Welcome to the United Kingdom, a country made up of four diverse nations: England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. The UK offers an incredible variety of experiences, from bustling cities to serene countryside, ancient landmarks to modern attractions. Whether you're into history, nature, or simply want to experience a bit of everything, the UK has something for you. In this video, we're diving into the top 10 places you can't miss if you're looking for the perfect mix of natural beauty, culture, and city life. Let's explore. 1. Isle of Skye, Scotland. First up, we're off to the Isle of Skye in Scotland, a place where rugged landscapes meet mystical charm. Known for its dramatic cliffs, rolling hills, and the famous fairy pools, the Isle of Skye is a dream destination for nature lovers. For the adventurous, there are hikes like the Quiraing and Old Man of Storr, offering some of the most breathtaking views you'll ever see. Make sure to visit Dunvegan Castle, a historic stronghold and home to the MacLeod clan for over 800 years. And while you're there, sample some of Skye's local produce, like fresh seafood or the world-famous Talisker whiskey. Skye's landscapes are so striking, it feels like stepping into a fantasy world. 2. Snowdonia, Wales. Next, we head to Snowdonia in Wales, a region famous for its rugged beauty and epic mountain ranges. Whether you're up for climbing Mount Snowdon, the highest peak in Wales, or taking the scenic Snowdon Mountain Railway to the summit, the panoramic views will leave you speechless. If you're not into hiking, explore the surrounding lakes and valleys, or discover the rich Welsh heritage at Carnarvon Castle, where English monarchs were once crowned. Don't leave Snowdonia without trying Welsh cakes, a sweet treat perfect after a long day of exploring. 3. Giant's Causeway, Northern Ireland. Over in Northern Ireland, the Giant's Causeway offers one of the UK's most unusual natural wonders. These interlocking basalt columns, formed by volcanic activity millions of years ago, are surrounded by the wild Atlantic Ocean, making for a truly dramatic setting. The local legend? That a giant named Finn McCool created these stepping stones to battle his Scottish rival. While you're here, take a walk along the scenic Causeway coast, and don't forget to visit nearby Carrick-a-Reed Rope Bridge for some heart-pounding views over the cliffs. Hungry? Sample some traditional Irish stew or soda bread at a cozy local pub. 4. The Cotswolds, England. For a quintessential English countryside experience, head to the Cotswolds. With its rolling green hills, charming stone cottages, and cozy pubs, the Cotswolds feel like stepping back in time. Wander through storybook villages like Bibury and Bourton-on-the-Water, and be sure to visit the historic Blenheim Palace, the birthplace of Sir Winston Churchill. The Cotswolds are also known for their traditional country inns where you can enjoy hearty British dishes like Sunday roast with Yorkshire pudding or a classic cream tea with scones and clotted cream. 5. Lake District, England. Next on our list is the breathtaking Lake District in northern England, a UNESCO World Heritage Site famous for its crystal-clear lakes, towering mountains, and peaceful countryside. It's a paradise for hikers and nature lovers, with trails that suit all levels of experience. Windermere, the largest lake, is perfect for boating or just enjoying the tranquil views. For a literary twist, visit the homes of famous writers like William Wordsworth or Beatrix Potter, who were inspired by the Lake District's beauty. After a day of exploration, relax in a traditional pub with a pint of local Cumberland ale and some sticky toffee pudding. 6. Stonehenge, England. A trip to the UK wouldn't be complete without visiting the mysterious Stonehenge. These ancient stones have been standing for over 4,500 years, and their true purpose is still a matter of speculation. Was it a burial site? A celestial calendar? A place of worship? No one knows for sure. Nearby, you'll find the Stonehenge Visitor Centre, where you can learn more about its history and the people who built it. Afterward, head to the nearby city of Salisbury and check out its stunning Salisbury Cathedral. For foodies, try some traditional Wiltshire ham, a local specialty. 7. Edinburgh, Scotland. Scotland's capital city, Edinburgh, is a must-see for any visitor to the UK. This city is packed with history and culture, from the iconic Edinburgh Castle perched high above the city to the medieval streets of the Royal Mile. For the best views, hike up Arthur's Seat, an extinct volcano that offers a sweeping panorama of the city. Edinburgh is also famous for its festivals, including the world-renowned Edinburgh Festival Fringe. And don't forget to try the local cuisine. Whether it's a plate of traditional haggis or a refreshing Scotch whiskey, there's something for every taste. 8. London, England. Of course, we can't talk about the UK without mentioning London, one of the world's most iconic cities. From historic landmarks like Big Ben and the Tower of London to modern attractions like the London Eye and Tate Modern, London has something for everyone. Take a stroll through the colorful streets of Notting Hill, explore the eclectic markets of Camden, or enjoy a world-class performance in the West End. When it comes to food, London is a global culinary hub, so whether you're craving fish and chips or want to try cuisine from around the world, this city won't disappoint. 9. Jurassic Coast, England. Next, we're off to the Jurassic Coast, a UNESCO World Heritage Site along the southern coast of England that spans 95 miles. Famous for its dramatic cliffs and rock formations, like the iconic Durdle Door, the Jurassic Coast is not just a natural wonder, but also a treasure trove of fossils from the Jurassic period, over 180 million years ago. It's a perfect destination for hikers, fossil hunters, and beach lovers alike. After your coastal adventures, relax in a seaside village with some classic British fish and chips, or a refreshing pint of local ale. 10. York, England. Last but definitely not least, we visit the historic city of York. Founded by the Romans, York is a city rich in history and charm. Explore the majestic York Minster, one of the largest Gothic cathedrals in Northern Europe, or take a walk along the medieval city walls for incredible views. The cobbled streets of the Shambles feel like stepping back in time, with their overhanging timber-framed houses. York is also famous for its chocolate. You can even visit the York's Chocolate Story Museum to learn about its sweet history. And there you have it. From the dramatic landscapes of the Isle of Skye to the bustling streets of London, the UK offers an unforgettable blend of natural beauty, rich culture, and city life. Whether you're planning a weekend escape or a longer adventure, these destinations will leave you inspired. So, which of these places will you visit first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel inspiration. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.